Ladies and gentlemen, when you think of WWE, you think of John Cena.
Loved by many, resented by some, but respected by all.
The following contest is a triple threat tag team match. Introducing first, from West Newbury, Massachusetts, weighing in at 251 pounds, the John Cena Legacy Champion, John Cena!
John Cena is a man who's always practiced what he preached. He embodies never give up and hustle, loyalty, respect.
Now, even his detractors have to admit Cena's dedication. He never gives anything less than his very best. From where I'm sitting, he is the greatest WWE superstar in history. His name is John Cena, a 16-time world champion. The Great One is here!
The biggest crossover star in sports entertainment history. I can barely hear myself think. The most electrifying man in all of entertainment just blew the roof off this arena.
And from Miami, Florida, weighing in at 265 pounds, The Rock!
And guys, unsurprisingly so, social media right now is buzzing.
Well, because he represents millions and millions, literally. More than 415 million followers on social media. They smell it all right. Indeed, the Great One.
A third-generation superstar who honors his family starting all the way at the top with the High Chief, Peter Maivia. Without a doubt, furthering his family's legacy in sports entertainment and cementing his own spot on the WWE Mount Rushmore.
His greatness transcends eras in WWE history.
Powered up in the Iron Paradise, Team Bring It is a lifestyle.
The two-time Royal Rumble winner.
The personification of grit. A superstar looking to reach the pinnacle of his second mountain. There is only one rated R superstar.
And from Toronto, Ontario, Canada, weighing in at 249 pounds, the Rated R Superstar, Edge!
After spending 8 years on the shelf in retirement, Edge has come back hungrier and tougher than ever. We are about to witness a fight.
Not only that, we're about to see who's next.
From
around right now. You can feel it. The entire WWE Universe anticipating Goldberg's display of dominance.
You're right about that, Saxton, save one exception. The man standing across the ring from Goldberg. He's not excited. He's next.
The Beast is here.
Time for a beatdown, cowboy style.
And from Minneapolis, Minnesota, weighing in at 295 pounds, the WWE Champion, Brock Lesnar!
When you look at Brock Lesnar, you honestly got to feel that Lesnar is more beast than man.
Now, Lesnar is undoubtedly the next step in human evolution.
He has unbelievable physical gifts, does the Beast. Brock Lesnar's won multiple WWE and Universal title reigns, King of the Ring, the Royal Rumble, and Money in the Bank.
And perhaps the most dominant competitor in WWE history. Lesnar's crushed countless champions and legends throughout his storied WWE career.
I got a real strong feeling we're going to see more of that dominance courtesy of the Beast incarnate.
Here comes the Viper.
The most lethal superstar in WWE history.
And representing RK Bro from St. Louis, Missouri, weighing in at 250 pounds, the Viper, Randy Orton!
The definition of a WWE superstar, and in my opinion, there is no one as gifted in this game as Orton.
Now, Corey, I agree. Legendary factions, all-time tag teams. But Randy Orton is best when he does some solo work.
And when he's doing said solo work, Randy Orton is one of the most sadistic individuals the WWE has ever known.
The more hostile the environment, the more at home Randy Orton seems to be.
Well, Randy Orton has made a career out of psychologically dissecting his opponents.
And many of the victims who have fallen for the Viper's schemes stay down for good.
Writes his own story. Tag team tornado match underway. Multiple teams facing off, but there will only be one winner.
Everyone competing at once. You really need to know the status of your partner and every opponent in this match.
Oh, just turned that around. And that was a rope landing from that toss.
One reversal after another. These two are reading each other's minds.
And there was some force on that move. Into a German.
Ball away, slam.
And that was an effective attack, guys.
Dribbling the opponent's head like a basketball.
Shoulder tackle. Look at this, just unloading.
Oh, a nasty stop to finish it off. And that was a precisely measured attack.
As easy as it may seem to come into a no DQ match with no plan other than to get violent, strategy can play a role in this. Now's the time for a superstar to get inventive, to get creative when it comes to inflicting damage on their opponents.
Oh, gee, straight to the cranium. And a well-executed move we just saw there.
Edge getting out of that one.
Oh, he's got him up high. And that was some vicious DDT we just saw. And some effective offense with that one. And a well-executed move we just saw there. And gets tossed back into the mat. That hit connects from Edge. Counters the Viper.
Downward spot.
Suplex. Gosh.
Dominating shoulder tackle.
Running FTO blitz.
Nicely done.
And Atlas offense with a hurtful purpose. He's turning the tables.
Man tonight.
Working on the arm. Elbow caught him right on the bridge of the nose.
Pulls their opponent in.
Belly to belly. Right there, looking for the submission. Good attack on time. Lock is in. Good look getting it. Here he goes for the win. Then he clubs it up. He's struggling a bit here.
He steers clear of the contact.
Display of offense we just witnessed there. Big punch finds its mark. And Edge answers back. And that was a precisely measured attack. Jhon suplex released. And we see the intent. This could do it.
The pin's broken up.
I can't believe it. And there was some force on that move.
Incredible spear.
Edge putting it down. Looking for the victory. There's two. And the victory.
Now's a good time to look at some of the highlights from that last matchup.
Here are your winners, Edge and Goldberg.
Edge leads the way en route to victory here tonight.
This win tonight may have been a career-defining moment. They're definitely celebrating like it was.